How to make an animated raising bar chart to trace daily trading volume of stocks by Power BI and by Tableau. Let's download historic data. Simply, we just choose these 10 stocks. For example, let's choose Microsoft. Half a year, download the data. So you could download each stock. We have to create a new table. Only 3 columns. One is trading date and the stock name and the trading amount. We got 3 columns from 10 tables. For each stock data file, we only need trading date, this column, and this trading amount column. Now we are ready to build the visual. Okay, let's open Power BI desktop. Here, get data based on your file format. Maybe it's Excel spreadsheet or CSV. Here, since our data is in the Excel worksheet. So click here, choose sheet 1 because I only have one sheet here. If you have more than one sheet, choose what you need to load the data. If you don't need to do editing, you can just directly load. Otherwise, transform data. Our table is ready to go. So here, File, Close and Apply. Click these 3 dots, get more visuals, and choose Change Over Time because we need to trace the trading amount over time. We are going to use this app, Add. Okay, now we choose this app and you can make it bigger. Open our table and for name, stock name, and the value is for the volume. And for the period, we put the date here. Choose year or choose months. It will not show the date. So go back to the table. Let's get a new column. We are going to format this date column. We change all the dates to be text. So format, date, then the text format is month, date, year. Then close the parentheses. Okay, so now you see this new column. Change all the dates to those numbers. Then we just change this column name, trading dates. Okay, now let's go back to continue to work on our visuals. So now here, we don't use this column. We put the trading date to period. Now you can see the dates. And you can format the visual. So choose setting and duration. Increase the duration, then the speed goes down. Also, you can change the title to daily trading volume. Next, we move to Tableau to build the visual. So open the file, go to sheet 1. We drag volume to columns. Then we drag stock name to label. Also drag stock name to color. For rows, double click rank. We choose this function rank unique. Then drag this volume here. Okay. Now we change continuous to discrete. Besides, compute using is for the stock name. And we want to show the dates here. So drag the date 2 pages. Because we are only working on the past half year trading dates, so only 2022 and 2023. So only 2 years. So we want to change. So scroll down here. So go more and go down here. We want month, day, year. Okay. Then double click, remove the sheet name, only page name, and change 15 to like a little bit bigger, so like 22. Okay. So now we can play the animation. So you see the dates changing now. Or you want to go, here is slow, normal, and fast. Yeah, so changing fast now. That's pretty simple in Tableau. Both Tableau and Power BI don't have that save option, save the animation as a GIF. You can use some third-party tools to record the screen.